morning everyone. Today we discuss about animal kingdom. Kingdom Animalia shows more number of acellular organisms and multicellular organisms. These organisms shows vast differences in their form and structures. But some fundamental similarities are common in these organisms. These are cell arrangement, coelom, symmetry, and digestive system, respiratory system, and the reproductive system. Fundamental similarities are arrangement of cells, coelom, symmetry, and digestive system, respiratory system, and reproductive system. These all characters are essential for the classification of organisms. Classifications of organisms. Levels of organization. Cellular levels of organization. Five types of levels of organization from protozoan to multicellular organisms. Five levels of organizations present in the protozoan to multicellular organisms. These are protoplasmic level, five levels of organization present in the protozoans to multicellular organisms. Protoplasmic level of organization, cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level of organization, organ system level of organization. Protoplasmic level of organization. This is present in the acellular organisms. For example, amoeba, etc. These organisms, the basic functions, all basic functions are performed by a single cell. Single cell act as complete organism. Because the protoplasm is differentiated into cell organelles. Protoplasm is differentiated into cell organelles. These cell organelles performs the all basic functions. So this is called protoplasmic level of organization. It is present in the acellular organisms or single cellular organisms. Next, cellular level, tissue level, organ level, and organ system levels are present in the multicellular organisms. All multicellular organisms do not exhibit same pattern of levels of organization. They shows different types of levels of organization. Next, cellular level of organization. Cellular level of organization present in the sponges. Sponges exhibit cellular level of organization. In these organisms, cells are loosely arranged. Loosely arranged cellular aggregation present in the cellular level of organization. Example, sponges. In these organisms, cells are not aggregated into tissues because there is no sensory and nerve cell nerve cells. In sponges, sensory cells and nerve cells are absent. So, these cells are not aggregated into tissues. These organisms shows two layers. These are outer is sponges contain two layers. Outer layer is called pinacoderm. Pinacoderm contains pinacocytes and porocytes. Inner layer is called choanoderm. It contains choanocytes. Choanocytes covers the Choanocytes cover the spongocoel. Spongocoel is a cavity of sponges. Different types of cells are functionally isolated because the absence of sensory and nerve cells. These isolated cells performs different functions. Division of labor present in the protoplasm, present in the cellular level of organization. Cellular level of organization shows division of labor. Next, tissue level of organization. Cells performing same functions are aggregated to form tissues. These tissue level of organization present in the Cnidarians. Cnidarians are diploblastic organisms. The coordination between the cells are highly coordination because nerve cells and sensory cells are present in tissue level of organization. Formation of tissue is the first key transition. First key transition in the evolution of the formation of body plane. Tissue level of organizations exhibit in Cnidarians. Sensory cells and nerve cells are present in tissue level of organization. They shows more coordination. And tissue level of formation of tissue is the first key transition. In the formation of animal body plane. Next, organ level of organization. Organ level of organization exhibit in the platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes exhibit organ level of organization. Group of tissues forms organ. These tissues performs same function. This is the organ level of organization. Organ level of organization present in the platyhelminthes and other higher phyla. different types of tissues aggregate to form organ. For example, heart. Heart is a organ. Heart contains 4 types of cells, 4 types of tissues. Organ performs a specific function. It is specialized for the specific function. Next, organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Group of organs. Some organs aggregate to form organ system. These organ systems are essential for the specific physiological functions. Different types of organs forms a organ system. For example, heart. Heart is a organ. Blood vessels. These all combine to form organ system. For example, digestive system, alimentary canal, stomach, intestine. These all are organs. Different types of organisms exhibit complexity in their organ systems. For example, digestive system, incomplete, complete. Complete digestive system and incomplete digestive system. Incomplete digestive system. Incomplete digestive system present in the platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes exhibit only one opening. Called this opening act as both mouth and anus. This opening act as both mouth and anus. This opening helps for the ingestion and adhesion. This digestive system is called incomplete digestive system. Incomplete digestive system contains only one opening. It acts as both mouth and anus. Example, platyhelminthes. Complete digestive system. These organisms contains both mouth and anus, 2 openings. Mouth and anus. These are complete digestive system. Both mouth and anus present in the complete digestive system. Organ system level of organization present in the Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Chordates. Complete digestive system present in the nematodes. Nematodes to chordates exhibit complete digestive system. Incomplete digestive system present in the platyhelminthes. Next, circulatory system. Some organisms exhibit closed circulatory system. Some exhibit open type of circulatory system. Next, circulatory system. Some organisms exhibit open type of circulatory system. Some exhibit closed type of circulatory system. Some organisms exhibit open type of circulatory system. Some exhibit closed type of circulatory system. In open type of circulatory system, blood flows. Heart pumps blood into the small spaces called sinuses. Sinus. Tissues are bathed in the blood. Tissues are bathed in the blood. In closed type of circulatory system, blood circulate only in the blood vessels, because of the capillaries. Capillaries are present in the closed type of circulatory system. We also discussed about open type and closed type. These are the levels of organization.